Hello, this is Nevis. I'm going to show my students how to save a PDF that I've shared with them to their own drive. Now, basically, this PDF is a scanned copy of their own work that I've corrected, scanned, and then shared back with them in the Google Classroom. So let's go to the Google Classroom now and have a look at the assignment. This is the assignment. So I'm going to open it up. I'm in as a student. And I've written the exact same message that I would have written to one of my students, and there's a link. So I'm going to click on the link of the scanned document, and it will open up. And so this is the idea. Now, it opens it up in the viewer, in the browser viewer. What we need to do now is the simplest, and that is to add it to the drive. We can print it if we like. We can download it to our PC and then upload it anywhere else, or we can just leave it on our PC. So let's do the easiest, and that is adding it to the drive. So if I do this, it just, as soon as I've clicked it, it's gone into the drive. And it will ask me to organize it in my drive. So I can do that. I can go in and organize it. And it's telling me where do I want to put it. So I'm just going to leave it here. There it is there, film review. No, this one, sorry, there it is there, film review, and that's it. Okay, so it's in my drive, and I can move it if I want to go into Classroom, for example, or just leave it in my drive. And that's it, and I can just open my drive and find it. Let's do that quickly now. My student drive. Now, I do apologize. I think some of the link sharings were not correct, but I've corrected them now. So here it is here. It's in the drive. It's a PDF. Now, you will be getting back the original with the marks and everything on it. So, but what you can do at this point is, if you like, you can go back to your film review, the assignment, sorry, and in this case it's a film review. We can say add it in. We can go to the Google Drive. Now, there it is in my drive. What I want to do now is that document is owned by the teacher. So what I want to do is, I don't want to open it I can open it as a Google document. Let me try and open it as a Google document. See what happens. May not come out nicely. What we're trying to do here is work out how you can save it in your own. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's probably, yours may not be this nice. Remember, I've used a computer to type it up, but that's one way, and you would just remove PDF on the end of it. And now this is yours in your file. Not only is it in your drive, but it is in your name, so you can add it back to the assignment, or you can also do something that is easier. What I want to do is actually, here, create a copy, sorry. Italian is always a problem for me. Okay, and here it is here, copy. So this one here is what I'm going to then add into the assignment. I'll just call it copy for the moment. So I'll go back to the assignment and add it here in the assignment. Go to Google Drive, and what I want is the copy. There it is there, add, and there it is. So at this point, all I need to do, it's a PDF. It's the PDF that I sent you. You've added it to your drive, then you've saved it as a copy, and you can rename it once you. But at this point, let's just call it copy for argument's sake, so that you don't lose it. And we're going to now submit that work, and I'll just say submit. It's asking me, do I want to make sure that those two files I want to submit, and there it is. My assignment is now complete. So if I go over to the teacher, let's go over here as a teacher, and I'll just go and see one done, and that should be, there we go. And there it is there. Okay, so that's fairly easy. That's all you have to do. So let's open it up now and have a look. and there it is. Okay, so it's submitted. All right, that's it. Hopefully this has solved some of the headaches that I've been causing you by using Google Classroom. This is Nevis. Thanks for listening.